Hi everyone, and welcome to our first McCalls uniform tips video. I'm Alistair and I will be doing a series of these, and today we will be looking at how to measure your son or daughter for their new school blazer. If you're ordering online for the first time, it might seem quite daunting. However, with my quick tips here, I'm sure we'll get you there in no time. First, if you've never had a school blazer before and you're starting from scratch, you will need a tailoring tape. If you don't have one, we have free disposable tapes at the shop which you can call and collect from us. Once you have your tape, you need to measure around the chest. I have my daughter Sophia here to help us.
Hello everyone.
Get your tape and measure around the chest, onto the arms, like this. Not too loose or too tight. Sophia here is measuring a 26. If you look at our website, you will see our blazers are sized in inches. So if you're ordering your first blazer, my top tip is add 2 inches to the actual measurement. This is to get a good size with extra growing room for the year ahead. If you want a neater fitting blazer, just add 1 inch. This is a really simple tip, but you will get a great result. But don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. We will always change any schoolwear item for size before school starts. Just leave those labels on. Thanks now, see you next time, bye!
Bye!